Good afternoon. I thought it's time for another update on what's happening in the real estate business as a result of the governor's new relaxation of her orders on Monday. Interesting enough, the new relaxation is affecting all of our divisions here at Jaqua. First of all, on the residential side of things, two things changed for us. Number one is there are no limitations on our showings. We used to only have 4 people that were allowed at the house at one time, and that limitation is now removed. Also, interesting enough, we are allowed to have public open houses. So those people that are wanting to attend in a more casual basis and see houses are able to do so. We're still practicing safe real estate from the standpoint that we are sanitizing before and after showings, and also we are wearing protection masks and booties to make sure that we are doing our part to eliminate the proliferation of the virus. It also affected our property management and our commercial divisions in the multifamily sector, in that we are now able to show properties that have tenant occupied. That was a stipulation that was limited our ability to practice in those arenas, and now that is not imposed. And the last and equally exciting part is that in our vacation rentals along the lakeshore, we are now able to accept reservations for the 2020 season. All of these practices we will continue to do in a safe manner, but we're excited to be back to work in a full capacity and certainly help our clients along the way with their real estate needs in all of our divisions. Thank you again. We'll talk to you soon.